How do untitled YouTube videos work? In this video we're going to be taking a look at how untitled YouTube videos work, how they're discovered, and how you can make your own untitled YouTube video. And we're going to start now. So if you've been on YouTube for long enough, you've probably seen a video that looks as though it hasn't got any title, and probably looks like this. And it's weird. It looks as though the title has just been completely skipped out. It's empty and erased. At least that's what it looks like. It's what you might think. It's the oldest video like this that I know of was from 2011. It was actually a video on... It was actually a scientific video on Can There Ever Be Nothing, which is why it was untitled and had a blank thumbnail. So, it's obviously been going on for a very long time, this craze of untitled videos. Right now, there's even channels that don't have any name. But there's something wrong with all of this, with the way that they do it. Because if you go into YouTube Studio, and you try to enter a blank space or nothing at all as your video title, it won't allow the option. It says, please enter a valid title for your video, I believe. I mean, I haven't done this for quite a while because I gave up. And the same goes for signing up for a Google account and creating a channel. When you create a channel, it won't accept just a blank space or nothing. So, we've all tried that option, at least definitely the video part anyway. I've never tried to make an unnamed channel before. And it's pretty infuriating that it just won't let you do it. So how come some videos can have no title? How does that work? How do they manage to do that? The answer doesn't involve any sort of complicated hacking like you might expect it to. It's much simpler. Now, it all originates from just a single HTML character. This character is called Zero Width Joiner. It's pretty much available in every language of HTML. Here's just a few examples that will be popping up on the screen right now. So it's pretty much available in all the languages. And the original purpose of it was to act in the same way as a space key, but it provides a smaller gap between words than a classic space key. And, of course, nobody uses it for that purpose anymore. Everybody knows why we use it now. And that's because of purposes like the untitled videos and the unnamed channels on YouTube. It's to convey a sense of mystery, to get you to click on whatever they want you to click, the creator of this. Because when you see a video that hasn't got a title, you're not going to know what is in the video, and the curiosity that you get, you just can't resist, because you're human. You need to find out. Well, your mind thinks you do. You don't need to, but your mind thinks you do, because it's so mysterious. It's sort of like clickbait, except instead of using a title that excites you, it uses the lack thereof of a title to make you feel confused into clicking it. So that's what we're going to call it, reverse clickbait. That's how they get you to click. So it's all down to that. That's why people use untitled videos. And of course that also wraps up how these exist, these videos. So now we're going to move on to the next part. How do people find a video without a title? Well, most of the time it's through recommendations. Sometimes it's through a playlist, but sometimes, and this isn't as often as other times, it's from just searching one of the tags. If you search one of the tags, it will come up, but you have to guess the tags unless you are the creator of the video, so that's quite unlikely. Obviously, for this video I'll have a load of tags relating to how do untitled videos exist, so you will be able to search for this, because I'd be shooting myself in the foot if I didn't provide tags for this, since my channel never gets recommended. But most of the time people discover these videos through recommendations, and to get more views, it's because more and more people get them recommended and more people are coming back because they remember the video or liked the video. So that's how people find these videos. And of course, finding the unnamed channels is, again, if you either get recommended a video by that channel or if you somehow accidentally search for one of the tags that that channel has. Because, let me just remind you, you can add channel tags. It comes under the settings in YouTube Studio. It's possible to add tags. If you need to get your channel discovered, use that, because a lot of people skip that. And now we're on the last part of the video, the part you've all been waiting for. How do you get this character? The most reliable way to do this is to search zero width joiner copy. And in the list of search results, you go to Emojipedia and you look for the blank box. That's where the zero width joiner is. Click the copy button next to it. Then you go back to YouTube Studio and paste this into the title box. And you should be good to go. It should be able to upload an untitled video. It did when I did a test untitled video, so hopefully it should for you as well. So, there it is answered. How do untitled videos work? I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe if you want to support my channel. Thanks for watching!